Hey everyone, today I am in the all-new 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX Surf Edition. Wanted to give you a nice walkthrough of this boat, show you everything it's capable of. If you're looking for a day boat that can still take you and your friends or your family surfing and do it all, this is the boat you're looking for. Still going to handle our big waters of Kiwi and Hartwell with ease, give you a great ride, Sea Ray quality, all while being able to do all the fun stuff that the surf boats provide as well. This boat has a nice rear transom lounger with flip-up sun pad, wraparound seating on the inside of the cockpit with a woven vinyl removable flooring. Got a side bench to the starboard side. Take a look at the helm here. Got the dual Simrad dash that will control your surf system, your radio, and all the operation of the boat right there from the dash. Co-captain's chair with the head compartment and sink. Going through the center walkthrough, you've got a transom air door. Huge bow seating with flip-down armrests. Bow shower and dedicated anchor storage. In-floor storage there. Do you have any electric tower to raise and lower it? Love to show it to you in person. We have it here available at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you guys so much.